Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today's our topic is the basic unit of life, cell. Children, you know what are the living organism made up of? For example, like building is made up of bricks and cement, just like that, our body is also made up of small unit which are called the cells. So children, all living organism like plants, animals, microorganism, all are made up of cells. On the basis of the cellular organization, if some organisms are made up of only a single cell. It is called the unicellular organism. Uni means one. For example, the amoeba, paramecium, chlamydomonas are the unicellular organism, and they have performed all their basic life processes with the help of single cell. Children, the organism which are made up of more than one cell, these are called the multicellular organism. Multi means many cells. So the children, on the basis of the numbers of the cell, there are two types of organism which are unicellular organism and the multicellular organism. Children, according to the shape and the size of the cells, there are different shapes and different size of the cells are present in our body. Like the shape and the size are vary, but all of these are ultimately determined by the specific function, because some cells can change their shapes, like amoeba by the help of pseudopodia. WBC means white blood cells, but the plants and the animals have also fixed shape cells. The smallest cell which is present in the mycoplasma, it is called the PPLO. PPLO means pleuropneumonia like organism. The largest cell present in the ostrich egg, and the longest animal cell which is present in the nerve cell. The micrometer and the micron is the unit which are measure the cell. Children, what is cell made up of? Like a cell is a tiny mass of protoplasm which is surrounded by the membrane, and membrane so that it is capable of performing all the basic functions of the life, like nutrition, respiration, excretion, transportation, all the functions. So children, the typically a cell is formed three parts. First is the plasma membrane to create the separate environment, and second is the nucleus which controls all the function. It is also called the brain of the cell, and the third is the cytoplasm where all the cell organelles are present. So children, first we are going to discuss the plasma membrane, which is also called the cell membrane. The outermost covering, which is the elastic membranous covering, it is also separate the content of the cell from their external environment, which is called the plasma membrane. The another name of the plasma membrane is cell membrane. So children, cell membrane is the selectively permeable membrane because it allows and the entry of certain specific substances and resisting the other substances. It is made up of bilipid and the proteins, so that it is called the lipoprotein. Children, some carbohydrates are also attached in some parts, some surfaces of the lipids and the proteins. So basic function of the plasma membrane is the protection, okay, and the mechanical barrier. It is also is the semi-permeable in nature. It is the endocytosis process. Also the flow of information, the osmosis process is also done by the help of the plasma membrane. So children, these are the basic functions of the plasma membrane. Hope children this topic is clear to you. Children, today we have discussed different shape of the cells and the different types of organism like unicellular and the multicellular organism and the plasma membrane. So children, today is your topic to revise this topic and make a well labeled diagram of a typical cell. Thank you children.